I'm Dr. Sanjay Panikar. I founded Amrita Homeopathy 19 years back. We are placed in Koramangala 80 feet road. Hair fall, when it is happening in a person, he is using lot of hair oils, shampoos, and yet the hair loss is not coming under control. So in such a condition, you must think of three things. What is the cause of the hair loss? Second, you must know what is the area where you are losing hair. And third, you must know how much hair you are losing. If you are losing hair in the crown, then it is androgenic alopecia, and there the loss is a progressive condition. How much ever hair oils or shampoos that you may use, it's not going to arrest the particular condition unless the oil or the shampoo contains minoxidil in it. But again, minoxidil has its own withdrawal side effects. Like when you stop minoxidil, you lose excessive hair. So minoxidil is not the right choice in this kind of hair loss. And when you are having such a severe hair loss, you're finding that the hair is falling from all over the scalp, then the condition is telogen effluvium. And in such a type of hair loss, how much ever the shampoos or the oils you use, the hair loss is going to be there for 30 to 90 days, and then it will stabilize by itself. None of the oils or none of the shampoos can penetrate into the scalp because skin is waterproof. You pour water on your skin, it does not enter inside. The same skin is there on the scalp also. So nothing enters into it unless you do certain techniques like electroporation or mesotherapy, wherein you can open up the pores and then may see that the substance enters, the medicine enters into the skin or the middle layer of the skin. But otherwise, by applying an oil, applying a shampoo, you cannot make it to enter into the skin. This is a myth that by using an oil you're going to control. But there are certain medicinal substances which can be mixed up in oil, and to a certain extent it can help by nourishing the shaft of the hair. Oil can be a good moisturizing agent for your hair, improve your scalp quality, improve your hair texture. That way your oil can help, but it cannot help too much in controlling hair loss. The hair loss that is there, you have to see what is the type of hair loss, whether it is androgenic alopecia, whether it is telogen effluvium, whether it is alopecia areata. And depending upon that, your hair loss will either come in control or not come in control. So that is how we need to deal with this particular condition. And if the hair loss is there due to hormonal reasons like thyroid, polycystic ovaries, diabetes or such kind of problems, the root cause has to be treated. If you are using bad water and then that has triggered the hair loss, that can be another reason why you may be losing hair. So you change your water, still that process may not come under control in some patients. That is where medical intervention is needed. Hair loss can happen due to various reasons: genetic factors, stress levels. Even I have a patient who underwent a depression after a love failure and then he started losing a lot of hair. So that can happen, that people are under a lot of stress. Somebody's mother expired and started losing a lot of hair after that. Some people lose hair after delivery, and based on the type of hair loss, the treatment has to be done. Externally applying oils and shampoos cannot sort out. This is a myth. These are given for the sake of advertisement, commercial purpose. The actual medical fact has to be identified and treated.